In the previous video, I have completed the topic reduction or smelting, and in this very particular video, I am going to take another topic also related with reduction. Okay, there are certain metals which are obtained when the metal oxide is allowed to react with some more reactive metal, and in this case the metals like iron and manganese are obtained by using this technique, that is reduction by using more reactive metal as a reducing agent. Sometimes a more reactive metal like aluminium can be used as a reducing agent. Metals like manganese, and iron are obtained by using aluminium as a reducing agent, as aluminium is more reactive than iron and manganese. For example, when manganese oxide is heated with aluminium powder, then aluminium oxide and manganese is formed. और इसको इक्वेशन फॉर्म में लिखना है तो इट इज मैंगनीज ऑक्साइड प्लस aluminium. It gives manganese plus aluminium oxide moreover this reaction is highly exothermic, that is lot of heat is produced. Secondly, when iron oxide is heated with aluminium powder, then aluminium oxide and iron, this iron is in the molten state, is obtained. This molten iron so obtained is used to join the broken railway lines. कैसे? Say it is iron oxide प्लस अल्मीनियम, तो बनेगा अल्मीनियम ऑक्साइड प्लस आयरन, प्लस लॉट ऑफ हीट इस हीट के कारण ये जो आयरन है इट इज इन द मोल्टन स्टेट. This molten iron is used to weld or join the broken railway lines. ये जो मोल्टन आयरन है ब्रोकन रेलवे लाइंस के बीच में पोर कर दिया जाता है. ऑन सॉलिडिफिकेशन the broken railway line joined together and the process is called thermite welding. This mixture is called thermite mixture. The reaction is called, that is the reaction between aluminium powder and iron oxide to produce aluminium oxide and molten iron is called thermite reaction or aluminothermy.